how to buy IP token to on the Bybit. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Same case goes below. Fund your account to enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token on Bybit, click on market here, as you can see. So this is our token or our exchange platform. Now click on this fair link, as you can see, and you will be able to relax your Bybit account. So what you need to do here, first log into your account and here click on buy here and select the limit. Now here type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy IP. Now if you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use that on that USDT that you have in your account to be able to use it to buy this token. Now click here on buy IP and you will be able to buy this token on Bybit on your Bybit account. So this is how to buy IP token on Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.